Good morning guys, in front of me is Realme Narzo 50 Pro and let me show you how to activate emoji suggestion. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select additional settings and click on keyboard and input method. So now as you can see, our current keyboard is Gboard. We have to click on manage keyboards and go to Gboard. Now select emojis, stickers and GIFs. Here scroll a bit lower and under suggestions while typing you've got emoji. So unless it is active, just mark the switcher to turn it on. You can also allow emoji stickers smoothly the same way. So that's it, this will be all. This is how you can activate emoji suggestion. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.